The highly anticipated sci-fi action film Venom 3, starring the talented Tom Hardy, finally has an official release date. According to the recent announcement by the film's makers, fans can mark their calendars for July 12, 2024, when the movie will hit theaters worldwide. As reported by Variety, the film currently remains untitled, keeping the suspense alive among fans and movie enthusiasts. This installment follows the success of Hardy's 2018 film Venom and 2021 film Venom, Let There Be Carnage. Both films made an impact at the box office. The film will hit the theaters in the middle of other highly anticipated releases. It will be sandwiched between Disney's Mufasa: The Lion King, scheduled for release on July 5, 2024, and Universal's Twisters, set to hit theaters on July 19, 2024. This move demonstrates the confidence Sony Pictures has in the potential of Venom 3 to captivate audiences and perform exceptionally well at the box office. In addition to announcing the release date of Venom 3, Sony Pictures also announced the release of the fourth installment of the hit franchise B, starring Will Smith and Martin Lawrence. The film is set to be released over Father's Day weekend on June 14, 2024.